Okay gang, this is my latest model that I printed. It's a 3-story townhouse with some nice big windows in the front and a little archway there, and the roof's on, and I just primed it. And if we spin it around, there's a side, and then there's the back, all the windows. And then there's the side, the roof's on. That's not glued down, I just laid it on there. And the primer paint is drying. So I'm trying to figure out what color to paint it. And maybe I'll put a couple different colors on it. And see how it comes out. And probably put some maybe neon signs in those windows there. I don't know, I gotta find out if I can get them. And maybe put some graffiti on the side walls there. So any ideas, I gotta come up with what color to paint it. I'm gonna figure it out and see. So I'll be back later once I get it all painted. And I gotta put some glass in the windows. I got that film that I can just put in there. And then I'll be back later. See y'all later. Okay, I'm back. Did a little painting. I painted the building, then I did some trim work, and the doors painted, and I put some red trim on that window, and some little white on those ridges there, and I put a little black paint on there to make the building look weathered. And we go on this side, and we got a little graffiti on that side, and a little, black paint there to make it look like it's been weathered a little. And then on the back, just a little, looks like water dripped down from the roof. And then on this side, just advertisement for a gas company, and a little weathering on this side too. So that's it so far. And next, what I'm going to do is put the windows in, and I still got to figure out what I'm going to do with those two big windows. So we'll see what that does, and I'll be back in a little while. Okay guys, this is another 3D model I designed and printed it, and it came out great. And it's a little station for the tracks and stuff. And right here is a stack, and then right there is like a little pipes come into that little box, and then these are pipes that come out. And then on this side it's just a blank wall. There's a window, I barely see it. And let me see if I can bring it out here, maybe you get a little better light. There's a window there, you can see the light going through it. There's a window there, and then nothing on that side. And then there's like a propane tank and a window, another window. there. You can see the light coming through. It's another window. And then the front, we just have a door here, right here. So I'm going to paint it, and then put it on the layout. And that's the second one I'm doing. I'm still waiting for the window treatments for the other building to finish that one up, and then I'll show you both of them all done and up on the layout. So we'll be back in the next session and see how it goes. If this comes out good after I paint it, I might make a couple more. It'd be nice to lay around where the track is and stuff. So we'll see. Alright, we'll see you later. Okay, gang, I finally got in the window inserts, and I got them all in. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and you can see. And in this window right here, there's a cat, and there's a cat in that window too. And these windows, there's a couple of lamps in there, and there's some curtains and stuff. And down here are the curtains there. And then on the back, oh, and I put a little black on there to make it look like it's dirty. A little bit there. And on the side here, I think I showed this in the beginning, but just showing you again, it's a little graffiti there, the weathering on the building. I didn't glue the roof on yet, but the back windows are all done too. They all have, like, there's some curtains in that window. There's Venetian blinds in that window. Curtains, Venetian blinds down there, and then down the bottom some Venetian blinds and a lamp. And if we go to the front again, the sign, there's just a little sign there. And here in this window, there's a person in there looking out, and there's one more here, person looking out of that window. So the decals are pretty good. This is they came on printed Kodak paper. I just cut them out. As you can see, I have stuff cut out already, and then I just glue them in, and they stay on there pretty good. So the next thing is to put this up on the layout, and then after I get everything in place, then I'm going to, you know, get some lights. I saw a video, DC Concepts came out with a light system, so I might try that out, because you can get like a board that has, I think, yeah, 24 ports on it, and each port you can put 3 LEDs in it, so that gives you like 72 lights. So that should be more than enough I need up on the upper level. So we'll see how that works out. And then last night I printed 12 picnic tables, and that's going to be for my campsite up there on the 3rd level. I'm just letting them dry good, and then I'll paint them. I'll probably paint them brown to make them look like the wooden ones. And that's that. So I'll be back in a little while. I'm going to put this up on the top of the layout, and then I'll be back. So we'll see you a little later. Okay, I got it up on the layout now, and then you can see the windows all decorated. It's a townhouse building, and it's there. That's a building I had, and I got room to put a couple more buildings up here, and I'll figure out what I'm going to do. And over here I got that little building. I finally painted it and everything, so that's another building I made. I'm going to make a couple more and put them around the track. They're like little sheds for the men to work in. So that's that. And so the upper level is getting populated. Got more trees to make and stuff. And I gotta take care of the roundhouse again. I gotta re-coat up all the service tracks. And then I can put some of the engines in there and hold them in place. And that's the crane with one of those container cars on it. And we'll see. So that's it. I just wanted to show you, as I come around here, just wanted to show you that building. It's complete now. All I need to do is get, like I said, some lights to put in them. And but that's down the road. And we'll go from there. And you can see the tunnel going to the helix. So we're getting there, and it's almost time to start running some trains again. But I'd like to get these push buttons done too. But that's another video, so we'll talk about them another time. But that's it for tonight, and we'll see you all in the next video. This is Tom, and everybody take care. And 3D printing is going well. We'll see you later.